Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
As of the scarcely the most recent update, Cardano truly is exchanging at around 0.78 and 52 in a very significant manner. The cost of one ADA would reach as exceptionally high as $2 to 3s by 2025 in an in every practical sense huge way. There most certainly is essentially potential for Cardano cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as especially high as $144 toward 2030 in an in every way that really matters. Significant ways end. In a bullish situation, Cardano could by and large outperform the $0.14 mark for 2050, exhibiting really possible vertical energy, which basically is very critical. Cardano ADA truly is expected to really arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $24.98 constantly 2040, which truly is very critical. Starting around 04 walk 2024, Cardano in a real sense is exchanging at $0.78 and 52 in term of its EST rate with the value change of 57% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. ADA in a real sense has a kind of all-out market cap of $27,863,383.54 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,406,646,568. This in a real sense makes Cardano ADA truly positioning at 8 in the digital money market, or so they generally thought. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano generally be all things considered worth in 2024, or so they especially thought? Is Cardano a very wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024 in a huge manner? Will ADA cost outperform its unequaled high? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, or so they sort of thought. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA cost most certainly is supposed to, in every way that really matters, cross an exceptionally normal value level of $1 and the normal extremely least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the very current year ought to be $0.678 in a significant manner. Besides, ADA can arrive at a really most extreme value level of $1.14, showing how starting around 04 walk 2024 Cardano especially is exchanging at 0.78 and 52 in term of its EST rate with the value change of 57% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely critical. ADA value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of Cardano especially is determined to truly be at around the base worth of $0.98 in an unobtrusive manner. The Cardano value worth can basically arrive at a kind of limit of $0.78 and 42 with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.76 to 24 in EST in a kind of large way. ADA value figure April 2024. Concerning April T24, Cardano fundamentally is supposed to truly arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.7562 in an unobtrusive manner. The ADA cost could truly arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $22.23 with a truly normal cost around $0.7853, which truly is very critical. Cardano value expectation May 2024. Cardano value sort of is supposed to generally reach between $7,719 to $25.37 in May 2024, while the exceptionally normal cost of ADA for the May explicitly remains around $8,010 Cardano ADA value figure. June 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for June 2024 may arrive at a really least worth of $0.78 and 79, while the fundamentally greatest determined cost most certainly is around $90.37 in a sort of large manner. The extremely normal cost for ADA is certainly anticipated to especially reach $170 in June 2024, which certainly is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA value gauge July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is by and large anticipated to arrive at an in every way that really matters normal cost of $24 to 15. While the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0.9346 and a sort of least of $0.8052, which in a real sense shows that this especially makes Cardano 8 a lovely positioning at 8 in the digital money market, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is supposed to basically be at around at least $388, which certainly is very huge. Cardano cost can explicitly arrive at a limit of $19,767 with the typical cost of $751 in USD amazingly. Cardano 8 value expectation September 2024. The cost for Cardano in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $7,811 and $101 in an unpretentious manner, while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to be around $9,102 in a significant manner. Cardano value expectation October 2024. The cost of Cardano in every practical sense is generally anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $903 in October 2024 in an unpretentious way. The ADA cost could arrive at an especially greatest worth of $105 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $466 all through 2024, which for the most part is very critical. Cardano value figure. November 2024, the especially normal cost of Cardano ADA could in a real sense go to $0 for 19,1844 toward the finish of November 2024, which by and large is very huge. ADA could sort of exchange around a most extreme worth of $109 with a fundamentally least expected cost of $9.81 in a significant manner. ADA value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense is gauged to be at around a fundamentally least worth of $9,678, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The Cardano value worth can especially arrive at a for the most part limit of $1.14 with a very normal exchanging worth of $1 in USD, showing how Cardano value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano by and large is supposed to be at around a really least of $388, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost especially has shown an especially decent increment of 8.21% as of now in a significant manner. From truly most recent 7 days, the ADA by and large was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 96%, showing how Cardano value expectation October 2024. The cost of Cardano really is anticipated to reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $9.93 in October 2024, which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be in every way that really matters, great chance to dive right in and put resources into a for the most part large way fundamentally. Cardano value figure 2024 facts. What will truly be Cardano all things considered worth in 2024 in a truly significant way? The ADA cost generally is gauged to arrive at a greatest degree of $0.14 with extreme